So this is the waifu. Okay, everybody, this is anime, right? And anime is a lot of it you'll see in Japanese cartoons or Asian kind of cartoons, adult type of cartoons, right? So they're not just NFTs. They're a big portion of it is NFTs. What waifu has going on, but another great thing is they have is the community, right? They already have a good community that is really an awesome following for them, and these collectible ecosystems that they're creating is pretty incredible, right? And just to give you an example of what they were doing before, this one was the biggest one that we are really kind of like, wow, because I know in November this waifu was a penny, everybody. Okay,
November it was.
I think it was November, October, November, man. It was right around there. Don't you? What do you think it was different?
Well, I know like 2 months ago it was 35 cents.
Yeah.
And then as the run up happened, it got up to almost $1.35. So I watched it go for $1. I was like, wow, this thing blew up $1 in 2 months, 3 months. And then of course, when we got hit, everybody got hit. When was it? Last Wednesday?
Yeah, it was last.
I blocked that day out. It doesn't exist anymore. But last Wednesday, I think it went down to 70 cents or 75 cents. And I was like, oh, that's too bad, because they were at $1.36. Yep. And I'm like, oh, and now they just cracked $1 again. So, we're coming back. We're coming back, which is great.
And I would say, yeah, you're probably right. Maybe October, because I remember buying some. I didn't just, wasn't just doing the yielding out. I actually purchased some. I put it back into the balancer pool, but I did buy some, and I know it was a little over a penny. So what I'm saying is that growth and how their token is operating and how it's being adopted and accepted is pretty incredible. So that's amazing from the time frame of October till now. I don't know, what is that, 8-9 months? That's pretty cool, right? So that's great growth in what we all are kind of talk about being like partners with, right? These are all projects that we were involved with, everybody. I mean, the liquidity pools are very important, right? I'm about to go into Starwire and you'll see what I'm talking about, because these fees, when you see that you're doing any type of in those pools, when you're in them, there are fees when there's transactions happening. And those fees, they go to these companies' treasuries, and they're allowed, right, to go and either build out more of the project, or like with Starwire, that's even how they're going to start funding films, right? It's really cool how these operate and how they're working. And it just wasn't like this before DeFi, right? This all wasn't able to kind of work together as projects can with like an index fund right there, like this. So just saying, anime, big thing.
I'll just add that Philip says he remembers 18 cents, and Kevmo says he remembers 008. But
well,
Kevmo's older than dirt, so
he said that.
Of course he would remember that.
I didn't say that, Kevmo.
He's bragging right here. I mean, that's all that is. It's just bragging that he remembers, 008.
Those were the good old days. Just like we remember Rap P at 230. or 250, something like that. Those were the days, right?
Rap PE, my Rap PE was 773. 73,000. That's when I get into Rap PE.
There you go. It's crazy, right?
750, because now it's 16.
But that's what they're introducing, right? To Anime Limited, the evolution of waifu finance. After growing our circle, surpassing several milestones, listening to the partners, and even, like I said, how we all kind of got together and just helped in general of just kind of supporting and helping getting these projects, where they need to be. I mean, and they were doing great before, but it's just great when you can kind of get a teamwork and people working together for one kind of purpose. And that's what the great thing about BeesSocial is. It's not like one major project trying to, outperform all this. We can all help each other. Right. And even if you're kind of in the same space, there are things where you could kind of, assist and maybe helping them develop to get past something or to innovate in a certain way. But this is it's just different, right? And that's why I love it over here of what's going on. I've been on some very cool meetings with people who are really cool in this space that are doing things, and I can't. I try to not say nothing now. I don't want to get in trouble, but it's amazing some of the stuff they're doing, because I'm kind of like on some of these calls with my mouth.
Like what? Just give me one example.
No, I can't. It's just funny, man. It's kind of wild, but that even here in their
you can say hypothetically and then get away with anything. So say hypothetically speaking.
Hypothetically, yeah, no. But that's what they're even in their Medium articles. They're talking about what we got going on over here, how BeesSocial has helped, and how they're also a DAO. They're a decentralized autonomous organization. Just really neat. And that is and this is before that $1 bound, they crossed it. So, and they just crossed it again. Because like you said, Tim, they pulled back but now already bounced back over $1. So very cool.